So a little while ago, Rich released a video talking about stealth mounts. Now, these are incredible ways to keep your batteries stored, be it in the workshop, in the van, in your toolbox, and well, really anywhere. These are little plastic mounts that you can mount onto the wall and then store your batteries upon them. However, since that video was released, stealth mounts have really expanded their arsenal and given you so many new ways to store your tools and batteries. It doesn't matter what brand you're on, be it Milwaukee, DeWalt, or Makita. Not only do they have battery mounts, they have tool mounts, and especially for Milwaukee Packout, you even have little individual mounts, so you can essentially stack anything on top of a Packout case. And I mean, one of our examples is, you can get a pair of boots on there if you really want to. Stealth mounts have delved even further though with the likes of your hand tools. You've got your nice level mounts here so you can keep everything as nice and neat as possible. And the beauty of them is that they are so simple. You can hang them anywhere. We've got it, on this nice little display board here, but these are gonna come in handy, whether you're on the job or if you're transporting your tools. This can fit in your toolboxes too. They even recently released some products that you don't really need to mount to anything. Instead, your batteries mount straight to it. You've got this nice 3 battery holder here that you can it just makes it easier to take it in and out the bag. This is much easier than carrying around 3 separate batteries in my hands. If you're looking for the best portability of your batteries, of your tools, then Stealth Mounts is the way to go. And given that in such a short time they've got all of these innovative products, we can't wait to see what's next with Stealth Mounts. Check them all out at its.co.uk.